afternoon, everybody. Dr. Ramkesh Parmaar, consultant physician, Savai Mansingh Hospital, Jaipur. Hope all of you doing fine in the time of COVID-19. Being a novel medical issue, there are several speculative reports regarding its connections, and many of you with diabetes are worried that they are more prone to the virus infections. So I am here today with you to discuss about the steps that all diabetic patients should follow to keep their blood sugar level and health in the check during the current lockdown season. First and foremost, it is true that people with diabetes and other comorbid conditions like asthma, heart failure, defect in kidney functions, and those who are a smoker, and the patients or person who have age more than 65 years of age, these all of population are at higher risk. So these type of population should be more careful and needed more caring and support. But dear friends, this doesn't mean that you should be panic. So I will suggest stay calm, get this stuff out of your mind, as this stress and anxiety might affect your blood sugar level. So I would like to add here that maintaining diabetes in control is beneficial for your immune system also, which helps you to fight off infections. So please don't be panic. Another very important step is that you must continue to have your medicines on time and test your blood sugar regularly. It is necessary that you keep a working and reliable blood glucose monitor at your home and check your blood sugar level both fasting as well as after meal. Our aim is always to maintain our blood sugar level at around fasting 110 milligram per deciliter and postprandial after meal around 160 milligram per deciliter. Dear friends, coming to another aspect, you are always take your meal on time and always avoid high caloric snacks. Listen carefully that in the lockdown period, being at home, we all are with our family. So we are taking regular snacks at irregular time with irregular proportions. So in my opinion, it is always better to avoid high caloric snacks that are deep fried, having more calorie and more salt. Dear friends, instead of consuming these type of snacks, always consume the snacks with high vegetables like cucumber and fruits like apple and orange. Regularly take such a healthy snacks alone or with yogurt as a dip. When you feel hungry in the mid-morning or in the evening in between the meals, please avoid to taking the caffeinated drinks always, and always try to drink a lukewarm water as much as possible. Dear friends, next important steps is in the management of diabetes in COVID-19 pandemic is physical exercise. Please friends, don't miss out on physical as well as fighting against COVID-19. Though your gym and morning walks might be halted by its lockdown, but it is important for you to find out some other physical activity during the day hours. It does not need to be something or too strenuous, but just a little amount of physical stretching, physical exercise is sufficient for maintaining ideal blood sugar level. Always make it a habit to take a short break from your work of every 30 minutes and do a little bit of walking, stretching or yoga for 5 minutes. Exercise of around 30 minutes a day time is perfect for diabetics, for maintaining their health during this lockdown season. Dear friends, always keep in the mind and always remember, exercise is very useful for the body, not maintaining only calorie, but by doing exercise or yoga and other things, there are certain chemicals in our body known as happy hormones which release in the body, which give immunity, decrease the stress, give adequate and comfortable sleep, reduce the stress, and as well as improve our memory. So dear friends, by listening this message, please started from just now. जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया है, just like exercise, dietary schedule and working hours, it is also important to have your sleep routine at regular time. Foremost, very important step and very necessary things. I would like to suggest you, people have always a sleep of sound sleep around 6 to 8 hours. Is night is sufficient. Going to bed on time and wake up on a fixed time. This always a planning and pattern and fixed timing hours, fixed time of sleeping and awaking from the bed is very helpful, because due to the fixing hours we can plan our work plan also. And friends, if you are finding difficulty in getting the sleep in the night period, please always avoid to take TV, mobile phones, laptop or computers, because the light rays which emitted from these TV, laptop, mobile phones during the bedtime, it causes damage to retina, so it's produced always difficulty in the sleeping. Dear friend, I would also suggest you like that we all are confined in the doors and living in our home or rooms during this outbreak, and we think that we are in the front of TV and news media. Due to the reporting of gloomy death and epidemic reports and pandemic about corona infections, so I think we all needed a break from this news cycle. So dear friends, as much as possible, please break this news cycle. Please give less time, as much as less time to the news or media for the corona outbreaks, pandemic, number of deaths and other things, number of positive cases and etc. Because these all things can destroy your mind, can give anxiety to you and have a difficulty in the sleeping, your health problems and give more stress. So please be careful and break the news cycle. Yoga and breathing exercise are very helpful in this time period. So always take a yogasan or calming activity like indoor gardening, cooking, puzzles, crafting, listening the music, reading the books, discussing with family, with quality times, all family members, to feel your body, your mind as a refresh. I would like to bind off this talk with a small suggestion. Dear friends, have a positive frame of mind in this hard and toughest time. Always follow a healthy lifestyle at home. Follow all the precautionary guidelines laid down by the government and medical professionals. Please be careful and don't believe on the fake news and news by unnecessary and irrespective at social medias. Always take a faithful news from your medical professionals or medical government guidelines to save from your yourself from the infection and also to stop spreading of infection further. Dear friends, always wash your hand regularly. Practice strict social distancing or physical isolation to save yourself, your family, community, your state or our this India, Bharat from this current pandemic. So remember दोस्तों, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. मित्रों, मैं डॉक्टर रामकेश सिंह परमार, सहायक आचार्य मेडिसिन सवाई मान सिंह हॉस्पिटल जयपुर आपके लिए कहना चाहता हूं, अपने घर पर रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, अपना ध्यान रखें अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें, अपने परिवार वालों का ध्यान रखें और एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर सारे कायदे कानून को फॉलो करते हुए इस कोरोना जैसी महामारी से बचें और अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें। आपका जीवन रक्षक, आपके स्वास्थ्य के लिए सदैव समर्पित, मैं डॉक्टर रामकेश सिंह परमार, सहायक आचार्य मेडिसिन, सवाई मानसिंह हॉस्पिटल, जयपुर, राजस्थान। जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्कार दोस्तों।